Hello guys, my name is Bappy Hamed and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we'll be learning how we can train one instance segmentation model with the help of YOLO11. So I think you know YOLO11 actually recently came in the market and it is published by Analytics. So I think in my channel I already created one tutorial how we can perform the object detection with the help of YOLO11. Even I already showed you the custom training. Now in this video, I'll also show you how we can perform the instance segmentation. And segmentation wise, I think I already created one video. I think I already showed you how we can perform the data annotation. Okay, so you can check that video if you want to perform the data annotation. Like if you want to manually level up your data, you can check this video. So guys, here I already created one amazing notebook. So this notebook will give you the entire step how we can perform the training operation. So for this example, I'm going to use one dataset, guys, and this dataset is available in the RoboFlow universe. Okay, so you can see RoboFlow universe already have this dataset. And if you don't know, RoboFlow is a platform. Here you will get all kinds of computer vision related tools and technology. So it is having one amazing product called Universe. Okay, so inside Universe, you will get all kinds of data. Okay, with respect to all kinds of tasks. Let's say you want to perform object detection, classification, segmentation, all kinds of data are available. So simply just try to click on the instance segmentation and search for this brain tumor data. You will get this particular data. Okay, and this data set is already annotated. We don't need to annotate the data. Okay, this is the best functionality I usually prefer for the RoboFlow. I don't need to manually level up my data because data annotation takes time. Now simply what you need to do, guys, is just click on the download dataset and select the format. So here we are using YOLO11. Try to select the YOLO11. Either you can download as a zip file, either you can download with the code snippet. So here I will use the code snippet. So I'll just click on continue. So this is the code snippet. Just try to copy and you need to paste in your notebook. So first of all, let me do the setup and all. So first of all, try to connect your runtime to the GPU. So I already connected. Then after that, just try to connect the notebook. Okay, so this command actually will show you the GPU configuration you got. See, I got Tesla T4. You can also set up everything in your local machine. It is also fine. But if you don't have GPU, that time you can perform in the Google Colab. Now, the first thing you have to install the Analytics, because I already told you this YOLO11 is available inside Analytics. So you have to install the Analytics package. And let me show you the Analytics YOLO11 GitHub. So this is the Analytics. So it is having actually all kinds of model. I think I already showed you this YOLO11 can perform classification, detection, segmentation, tracking, and pose estimation. So we already saw that detection. Now we are performing this segmentation, and these are the segmentation model. Okay, in the model too. So yeah. So now let's import this YOLO from the Analytics. Then I will install the RoboFlow, because if you see, if I want to download the data from the RoboFlow universe, what I have to do, I have to install RoboFlow. You can see there's also suggesting. So let me install the RoboFlow. After that, just try to copy paste this code snippet. Okay, copy paste this code snippet here. So it will automatically download the dataset from the RoboFlow universe. And if you are using Analytics YOLO11, it's like very easy to train. Only just one line of code you need to execute. I'll tell you, and it will perform the entire training for you. So many configuration is not required here. Now see, guys, this is the data it has downloaded. Now you can see in the test image. So guys, you can see in the test image folder, and label folder are available. Okay, and it is also having one file called data.yaml. So inside that, it is having all the location of the data, number of classes. That means one classes we are having called tumor. Got it? So yes, and I think I already showed you the annotation, how to perform the annotation there. Now what you need to do, guys, you just need to do a little bit modification here. So first of all, you have to copy this path here. Okay, this is my entire data path. Okay, here you can see I've copied this path, and here I've mentioned, because whenever you will start the training, so it will load the data from the data.yaml file. So make sure you are giving the correct path, and open the data.yaml file path and try to change all the these are the path actually. So let me open the train, copy the image, and try to replace with the complete path. Okay, otherwise you may get some issue. So that's why we are giving the complete path here. Copy path for the validation as well, and for the testing as well. Okay, so once it is done, just try to save with the help of Control S. Now let me close it. Now see, this is the training code, guys. Okay, simply first of all, you just need to download one model, pre-trained model from the models you can see. So I'm downloading this nano model. You can see I'm downloading the nano model. You can also use any other model. And after that, just try to call model.train, give the data location, that means data.yaml file path, epoch, like number of epoch you want to train. I want to train 10 epoch. And image size, so during training actually they used a 640 dimensional image, so that's why I'm giving the same size. and device is equal to 0, that means I want to utilize my GPU. Okay, and if you are using multiple GPU, you can also give the GPU ID. Now see, if I click here, so it will automatically download the model, load the data, and it will start the training. So let me show you. And it will create a folder called runs. Okay, inside runs folder, it will track all the artifact, that means all the models, all the matrices, everything it will save here. So guys, as you can see, my training has started, and you can see the log is pretty good. So it will show you all the real-time matrices like losses, then MAP score, everything it will show you. So let's complete the training. After that, I will plot the graph, and there I'll tell you the model performance, and we'll be loading the pre-trained model. We'll be loading our trained model, and on top of that, we'll be also doing the inference operation. So let's wait, guys, because training will take some time. So guys, as you can see, my training is completed, and it is showing the entire MAP score. The MAP score should be close to 1. If it is close to 1, that means your model is learning better. Now you can see all the artifacts has been saved in the runs folder. If I open the segment train, and you can see this is my weight. Okay, so base.pt is my weight. Okay, that means this model we have trained, and these are the matrices. Okay, all the matrices configuration you can see. So let me plot actually one matrix called result.png. So it will contain all the, let's say, matrices. You can see the training losses. That means epochs is increasing, loss is decreasing. It's good. And epochs is increasing, MAP is also increasing. Okay, that means my model is learning better. MAP means mean average precision. Okay, so yes, now what I will do, guys, I will load the model. So you can see I'm loading my trained model. Now we'll be doing the inference operation. So this is the trained model location. So just copy the path and try to give it here. And let me upload some test data here. So that would be better. So I'll upload this 3 image. You can also upload the entire folder. You can also upload the video if you have. So everything will work. Now just simply copy the path and try to give the location here. Okay, now if I execute, so it will load my trained model, and it will load the image, and it will perform the segmentation. You can see this is the segmentation, and it is pretty good, guys. You can see confidence score is 86, and you can see amazingly it has segmented. Even you will also get the bounding box, because we know that if we are performing segmentation, with that we also get the bounding box. Okay, now let me show you another example. So I'm loading this 3 image. See, okay, if you're performing the video, you just need to give the video location. Okay, and if you want to use your camera, you just need to give the camera ID here. That means 0. So that's how we can use different kinds of data. So yes, guys, that's how actually we can perform the custom training of this YOLO11 on the instance segmentation. I hope you liked it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and I will see you next time.